What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a good time. I'm here with the SC300, my project car that I got back 6-7 months ago in December, and she's been great. Today we are going to see if we can get the AC working. I got some R12. So these old cars before 1995 have R12 refrigerant in the AC system. So this one has never worked. So I was just going to see if we could maybe just fill her up a little bit and see if that would get her to go, because I think these guys have a safety, and so when the pressure gets low, the compressor won't run, so it won't burn out. So we've got some regular R12, we've got some leak stop, and then we also have some a can of oil. So we'll see if we can just do. We're gonna start with just a little bit of R12, see if it'll just kick on its own, and go from there. So let's jump into it. Let's pull the SC out and see if we can get this AC running. Alright, so the condenser is right there. You can see that bottom pulley, and then the lines go down here and then under the radiator and then up right there. You see him there, and over here is a little guy right there, and I just had a black cap like this. See that little black cap right there? And I just took it off. Pretty darn sure that's it. So trick here is that the line, right, the gauge that you get with the kit will only go on the correct nozzle, so it's not too much to worry about with putting these things on. All right, let's do the unboxing here. I've got the box from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description to get this. Oh, you know what? I don't think it was Amazon, actually. I think I ended up getting it from Walmart. Regardless, I'll put the link down below when I'm editing the video. Look at that, we got a little thank you promo code. Got a little valve. It looks pretty good, right? Feels pretty legit. Let's see. Yeah. Yep, I think that's gonna be the right size. Alright, we got some cans. There's the R12, the Pro Seal, there's the regular can, and here's some oil right there. So, little kit, got a bunch of these R12s here. It's gonna be good. Alright, let's go check those out. Those look pretty good quality. I'll let you guys know as we go through here what my final review of this kit is. But let's get after it here. So let's go look at this over here. Let's go see if this is going to fit on there. I think it is. Let's see. Yeah, that bad boy fits right there. So what we need to do is start her up, get her running. Down there, it's that lower one. See if that one will kick on. Alright, I think what we're gonna do is, since my head unit doesn't work that great, let me show you. Can't see anything, so I can't tell if it's quite on or not because this mode here. Can't tell these buttons, but let's see if it kicked on. I think if it doesn't kick on at all like that, I think what we're gonna do is just put the can on and see if we can play around with those buttons while we have the can on. The So let's go over here and get it set up. Oh, there goes my camera. Alright, let's see. Right there. There we go. Alright, we are going to put the can on first. Alright, there we go. Got him. There we go. I'm going to turn this all the way in. Turn the valve all the way in. Now we're going to connect it down here. Alright, just hand tight on that bad boy. Let's see. Alright, now I got it where it's open. Oh, it's taking on. It's taking it on. Got the can upside down. I'm watching the meter here. Oh, something just kicked on. Look at that, look at that, look at that, guys. There she is. Down below, she wasn't on before, now she is. Fantastic. Alright, I think she's on. I must have the AC on. Whoa, the can's getting cold, guys. Look at that. That can is cold. Here's the temperature, the pressure here. Let's go look at that pressure gauge. It's kind of, because I got to go in through under there, it's kind of a hard to read it spot. Let's see if we can get a good look at it here. Let's see. Alright, let's definitely put another can on her. I think what I'm going to do is unscrew it from the line after I tighten it. I'll tighten it. Here, let's turn it upside down. I bet all of that can is gone because this thing has been pretty empty. So let's tighten her up. Alright, now let's unscrew her over here. Let's go get another can. Alright, yeah, that compressor is still running. That's good. That's a good sign. Alright, we're gonna put some of this Pro Seal on it just to make sure, because this has both R12 and Pro Seal in it, and that might lube it up and seal it up a little bit in case she was leaking. And coughing a little bit because of the exhaust. I need something to drink. Alright, we got that on there. I can't believe she fired off just like that. One can. Let's do some more here. Alright, let's get a picture of, we'll get this valve going. See if I can put it in a place that I'll get a shot of it. Here we go. Alright, let's do this. Okay, now it's getting some more pressure there. guys see that? Let's see where we at now. 50, 40. She's coming down. 50. 50. Looking pretty good. So we got her all running great. She's running at, let's look at that, 40 psi. That's perfect. That's right where you want it as it's cooling at 40 psi. So we're just going to take her off. We're going to take her off. And we're going to go enjoy some of that cool air. Let's go check it out inside here in a second. She's running great. She sounds great. Let's go inside and check it out. Nice. She feels so good. Wow. She cools off just right. Unbelievable. Guys, the SC has never felt better here in Texas. She is cooled off and feeling good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned what you need to do to get the AC running on these R12. Walmart's got them. Be cool out there, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.